No swimming today, ice is just too thick. But not here, of course. Ice is thick there where it needs to be, in the middle. You see? Why only on the middle? Because the soil is warm, and warm soil makes the ice thin. That's why all the banks and edges are poor with ice. Do you remember this? Check the previous videos. 2 weeks ago I went with this stick on the ice for safety because I didn't have knife and anything with me to get out safely, and now it's embedded in ice. Do you remember this? Here I was swimming. You see, 1 centimeter of ice has become now, because it was quite warm, and just this night was -6. But otherwise, just look at this serenity, nobody anywhere again, always safety, although I know it's hard enough. What a wonderful ice. And look, these patterns. This is what I love the most. And this thickness, this is like 10 centimeters still. You see? This is from the bicycle, these traces. When the bicycle went under the snow was over ice. You see? These are all tracks from me. This is also 2 weeks old. Amazing. Let's make another trace. Yes, around 6 centimeters here, but there is 10. Wonderful, ain't it? Just wonderful. I don't understand why people are throwing rocks all the time. You see the rocks. They are not too courageous. There where I fell inside. You see the bank makes ice warm and disappear, that's why.